Hi, Joey again here at AIDI. Today I'll be showcasing our ALSS aluminum split shoes, series of shoes that range from 4-inch all the way to 1.25 inch. Well, we do also offer one-piece shoes in all materials: aluminum, steel, brass, cast iron. At times, customers decide that they want to add a shoe after the fact, and these shoes make it easier to do so. These two-piece shoes click together very easily and are very durable and won't snap apart like other traditional two-piece shoes. These are very durable, and it makes it easier for installation versus having to lift up a one-piece shoe and have to anchor or tie your anchor bolts underneath and kind of be clumsy and in the way. These two-piece shoes allow you to do your work, and then after everything's said and done, come and put them together to give you a finished look. These work for core drilled and surface mounted applications. As mentioned, they range from 4-inch, 3-inch, 2.5, 2, 1.5 and 1.25 square, and they're available now at AIDI, over the phone, or on our website, archirondesign.com.